Right out, we're back again. Today we're going to tack the front of the car with the porta power and try and get that radiator support panel back to where it should be. Just noticed something. I think there's possibly tyre marks on this bonnet. That's pretty out there. So this is going to be about there. There's no real reference. We use the bonnet pins. We use our old bracket here as a reference. And just figure it out. You have to push it from here to here, say. So I'll take this out because previously I pushed it up here. It turned out that was the plenum chamber, so I had to actually pull this apart and straighten that back out. So we'll try and push on the towers a bit stronger. Let's see how we go. First things first though, get the oil cooler out. Also looks like this needs a bit of repair in here and here with the oil cooler, underneath the oil cooler, so it's got a good thing going. Today we've got the big guns out. We've got the hydraulic body frame repair kit. Like that, so a bit of mess in there. So yeah, we'll find the bits we need to bridge the gap and we'll push the front out. Right, so this combination goes. Extra room we made. Look at it, it's popped up a bit, so let's go. Fine tuning hammer. middle going to come out a little bit. And that end just a little bit more. Happy with that one. I'm happy with that one. Let's get forward a little bit. That's cool, too far forward. Not happy with that one. I made that work. And this one. I reckon we can make that work as well. Get one more push here, so that gets us. There we go. Well, I think we can make that work. There's a bit of a split there, it's been knocked apart, so we might just give it a hit with a hammer, see what happens. Like I bought one. Depending on where you buy it from. So water power damage back out. Yeah, this will come up next time. For now, let's get this water flow tank out. Yeah, it looks like there's a couple of temper bolts, and we'll just take this hose off the other end now. I'll sort of bung that up with later. That tin will socket. This one hasn't gone missing. Looking at it, that's pretty close to where it's going to be. But you can see how it's, that bar itself's bent. If we get a bit of bar here and sit where that lives. Oh. Yeah, it's not going to work. There we go, let's sit there where that lives. Yeah, if that was straight, that would pretty much line up with that. This here's a bit bent, this other bar here sort of pulled on there a bit, so we can patch that up later on. The other side looks pretty well lined up. The front it looks, yeah, fairly square. They're getting an actual falcon and measuring diagonals. But what we might do, let the bonnet pin straighten up. We'll stick the bonnet on it and see how it looks. There we go, there's the bonnet back on. There's a little bit of thing there, but I reckon it's pretty close to how it's going to live. Again, fix this bracket up. Got some more steel there, might have to make some new bits for it. I've got enough. Actually, while we're here today, we might even get rid of the overflow bottle out of the way. So we won't be needing that anymore. And that might do us for today. Right. We'll stick this aside for future reference just in case you need for something. Don't think we will, but we'll hold on to it. Let's get the lever vent cover cap, and that's about it for that one. Well, there you go. I'll show you we use one of the different tools, the frame repair kit, or porta power as most people call it. I think it's a brand name. So push the front out so it's back where it should be. Next step is to do the radiator support panel. We'll fix the radiator support bracket back up because we're going to get on the hoist, yeah, and check underneath and fix up the tail shaft and whatnot, but I don't think I can get on the hoist for another week or two, so we'll do the radiator support bracket next and go from there. Anyhow, as always, if you've got any ideas, any comments, make them down below. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Okay, we just set the bonnet on and it fell into place on the old bonnet pins pretty much, so I'm pretty happy with that.